for their money. These birds aren't just randomly attacking your favorite trees. They're busy crafting the ultimate nursery for their young. Find a tree, make a hole, and call it home. Holes to store their food. The interior of a storage filled with nuts and insects, ensuring that even during the lean months, the pantry is just a peck away. Remember, you're not just witnessing a bird building a home, but also preparing a well-organized pantry. It can house over 100 birds. Imagine that for chambers for each family, because even in the bird world, everyone appreciates a little privacy. Impressive. Wait till you hear about the Montezuma or a Pindola. These birds are the thrill seekers of the avian world, building nests that look like something out of an adventure park. Easily woven from fibers and vines, and dangles from the tip of a tree branch. Imagine a hammock, but for eggs. The real genius of these nests is their placement. By hanging them from the slenderest branches, these birds see a nest that's not only a home, but a fortress. 15. Woodpecker. To those that adapt and grow with their inhabitants.